Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of The Dentist Sister Always Want to Tease Me. Chapter 14, so here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Ransing and Kai-an. Right now, the two of them went out. They're going to the night market again. Looking at Kai-an, was happy, eating cotton candy. Hey, senior sister goes to the night market together. Well, they're really happy together. But now, looking at Ransing, today's sister, it is lively. She's really smiling. Also, she has a good mood. Kai-an, seeing her like that, her face, it's really turning red. Of course, she was also laughing. Will my sister also treat me? I answered to herself, but suddenly she got surprised that when she looked on her side, Ransing was not there. Well, where did she go? Why suddenly she left alone? Right now, Kai-an, she seems to be getting rattled. She was calling her sister. Sister, where are you? Until now, it was Ransing. She is not there. Maybe something happened, and she really did not notice it. Ransing goes to something. Kai-an, she continued to search the places, but did she really find it hard? Because there's a lot of people at this moment. Even though she was searching thoroughly, the place, it's really jam-packed by the people. Now, she was holding her phone and trying to call Ransing. Sister, where have you been? I can't find you. Now, Ransing finally answered the phone, and it was Kai-an, but she looks really rattled. For Ransing, there are too many people and I am squeezed forward by accident. So, that's what happened. As often we shot for positioning, it shouldn't not be too far away. Kai-an said to Ransing. Now, looking at this girl, she's so eager to find her rashly. Now, the location, it seems that is too far away from each other. So it turns out, she really squeezed too forward and able to go back with her. Well, Kai-an, now she was searching her and trying to find Ransing, but the other person is rude. If you don't go forward, don't go flagged away, the man said to Ransing. Ransing, she was looking on the man. Since there's a lot of people everywhere, Ransing, she's having difficulty. She's only standing there and hoping that Kai-an will find her. That way, it won't block the way. So, it was right. She was standing beside, so no one's gonna get flagged. Kai-an, till now, Ransing was waiting for her. Ransing said to herself, it is so weird. Well, the feeling, it's really getting strange because she thought to herself that whenever Kai-an was with her, it seems to be different from now. When I was with her at that night, the night market, it was very lively. Now, Kai-an missing and it was really sad for her. It's like the world is really changing. Well, let's see. They really find each other soon. But once she leaves my side and no matter how many people are, it was feeling so cold. Now, the positioning, it's really getting closer. Well, finally, Kai-an, she is really moving forward towards her. Dancing, she was really excited. Right now, Kai-an, she was calling her sister. Looking at the face of Ransing, she got really tired. Probably, the suppression of the people in front of her, she was really tired and weak. Now, it's finally, Kai-an is already came in. She was calling her. Why are there so many people? Alas, my clothes. It is getting wrinkled. Kai-an said to herself. Now, it seems that she really liked to complain. Moreover, how can you laugh at me, senior? No, you cannot laugh at me. Finally, I'm squeezed over. So it really makes sense. The two of them are really get squeezed out. And they really need to experience this. So the two of them cannot be separated. They need to hold hand each other. Looking at Ransing, she is really getting tricky. She grabbed the hands of Kai-an. Now, they're going to continue the shopping and also eating outside. Sister, Kai-an seems to be surprised. Well, she didn't expect that. Francine will do the first move towards her. Now, she was holding her hands tightly, so the two of them not be separated again by the people. Francine said, "In this way, we cannot be separated from you." Well, she was right, and it was also good reasoning. But of course, Kai-an, she got really worried about this. Also, she really got nervous. They're really getting closer. Well, back to the office. It was next day. It was Francine who's teaching her. Kai-an, she seems to be serious. She was listening to her. And also, she got really happy. Well, this girl. Suddenly someone was calling. Take it first, if anything matters. Right now, there's someone's calling. Ah, come and accompany me. It was her friend Rico. Now, it seems she has appointment. Well, let's see on what's gonna happen. I haven't gotten off work yet. I'm near your hospital. You'll come after work, Rico said to her. Okay, just send me the address and I'll find you after work. Kai-an said to Rico. Let's go. You cannot work overtime every day. Kai-an said to Ransing. Then, see you tomorrow. Finally, Kai-an, she was rushing through. She grabbed her coat and she was going to leave, leaving Ransing at the office. Well, at this moment, Ransing was looking at her, the bar near the hospital. So, she got really curious about this. Well, maybe she's going to check her later, since Kai-an, she was still a student, needs to still study on the morning. Well, right now, Kai-an finally arrived. Her friend will already see her. For now, let's see on what's gonna happen. It seems that this girl has some problem with the other professor. The girl before, and now, look at her. She looks really drunk. Why do you drink so much? Kai-an was asking her friend. There's a lot of empty of the glass cup, but it's already drink by her friend. The problem, it must really serious, right? That's why she was really acting strange. What did you say? It's just not because of that woman. Now, she was protecting her lover. Of course, Kai-an knows everything about it. See on what's gonna happen. The situation, it seems to be getting tougher at this time. Kai-an said it's all about teacher Shuyao. Alas, did you say that? What did you think of me? Her face, it's really turning red. It's indication that she is already get drunk. Let's see on what's gonna happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by our Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!